Yo, what's going on, everybody? What's going on, everybody? This is Marcus Willpower here, Mr. Xauusd, and I'm back again with another video, another weekend market analysis. I'm gonna go over gold. I'm gonna go over the DXY. I'm just gonna share my thoughts on what happened and what might happen going forward. And yeah, I hope you guys like the video. Please like it if you do enjoy the content, if you find it helpful. Please comment so we can engage, so I can see what you guys are thinking. If you think that I missed something, or if you think that there's something I overlooked, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, this is just me doing my thing. Doing these videos also helps me sharpen my skills. And yeah, let's go and see what the DXY is doing. So basically, the DXY has been inside this uptrend, right? So we can see here that we had a low there, then we made a high, then we made a new low, then we made a new high here. This was our highest point, and this was our lowest point, right? So what do you see? What do you see right now? For me, what I'm seeing right now on the DXY is that we were bullish before, but I see a change of character here. Why do I say I see a change of character? Because if you look at this low, if you look at this low was taken out by price, right? So what does that mean? We have a uptrend. An uptrend has higher highs and higher lows. So we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. We have a higher high. So after a higher high, what are we expecting? We're expecting a higher low, but we don't get a higher low. We get a lower low. This previous higher low is violated by price here. It's broken, it's engulfed. Even just by this small price here, taking out liquidity under this higher low. For me, this signals a change of character because it's a break in market structure, right? If a break in market structure signifies that we're trying to change direction. So for me, the DXY could possibly change direction into a bearish movement, right? So I'll be looking for the DXY to come up in here. I'll be looking for the DXY to come up into here to give us some sort of reversal pattern, even though we do have a confirmed change of character, right? We need we need a reversal pattern. We can't just say, okay, the market broke market structure and we're just gonna sell or we're just gonna buy. No, we have to have a reversal pattern, something we can identify. So as you can see that it broke this previous low, engulfed it here, and shot back up. So I'm expecting the DXY Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to come into here, probably spike above this golden zone, just spike above, not close above, and then we can then see some sort of movement to the downside. So this is my view of the DXY currently. So if the DXY is, if I'm expecting the DXY to be bearish, that means gold should be bullish and other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD should be bullish and pairs like USD JPY should be bearish. So let's just go into gold and see what's happening in gold. So this was my analysis from last week. Last week, I expected gold to, or this was, I think it was NFP or something like that. NFP shot down, then it broke above, right? So I was expecting a move like this, and then maybe a wick to the downside to come and retest the trend line, then a push up. But however, we didn't get that push up. We didn't get that push up that we were looking for. So we didn't take any trades. We did get the push up, sorry, but we didn't get the entry that we were looking for. I was looking for this sort of entry, like a probably like a mini W or multi time frame W or something. Just a movement to the downside towards this trend line, towards this lower zone here, and then I was going to take buys. But unfortunately, I didn't get that movement, so I couldn't take buys. Uh, I also saw some sort of position here where I thought maybe it would reverse from here because this is a previously respected zone. Thought maybe it would come down from here. So I did place some sells here, but those were invalidated and were taken out, but that's fine. So gold right now, what are we seeing on gold? Already we've broken this trend line and we've closed above it, right? So gold, I'm expecting gold to be bullish because the DXY is looking to be bearish, right? So I'm expecting gold to be bullish. So where am I going to look for my entries on gold? Uh, so according to my trading plan, I'll only trade Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So I'm expecting Monday to probably push up into here and Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that, come back, then we can continue upwards, right? Also looking for gold to engulf this high. If we do manage on Monday to push above this high, engulf it, and push above that resistance at the top there, then we come back and retest somewhere in here. I'll look to buy. I'll look for long positions on gold. Just this break and retest of the D1 trend line. That'll be my entry. Looking here to my price action strategy, it's showing me the exact same thing. So I was expecting if gold was going to be bearish, it should have reacted from this zone here, but it broke through that. So what am I expecting here? I'm expecting gold to push above, engulf that previous high, the blue line, uh, come back into one of these three zones. Either could be here or could be here, and then we can push off. So this is what I'm expecting on gold. I'm expecting a bullish movement, which is supported by the DXY. But a bullish movement towards where my targets would be, my target will be up here. I'm expecting maybe a push to up here, but we'll just see what the market gives us because this is a very strong bullish movement on the daily. So like we said, we're expecting gold to be bullish. And let's just check what I don't like to trade Euro USD or these other pairs, but let's just see what's happening. Euro USD, GP USD. Let's look at those. So Euro USD should be bullish. Right, so this is Euro USD. EU. Look at EU. This was our previous high, and this was our low. Look what happened. The price engulfed the previous high, and now is retracing to come and form some sort of W formation to push off. This is what I'm seeing. So probably there could be an entry somewhere in there. GBP USD, the same thing. We had that high, then we had this low, and we had price engulf here, price engulf there, and now it's coming back to give us some sort of maybe a W formation on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. But I wouldn't take these trades because I don't trade these pairs. I'll take my trades on gold. But if you're gonna trade this, safest take profit would be here. Maybe your entry Entry could be there, stop loss there, save as take profit there. That could be your entry. Same thing on Euro USD. You could take your entry there, stop loss right there, below the low, and TP safe as take profit right there, which looks like a good risk to reward, 8:1. That's fine. But personally, I'm looking for entries on gold. For entries on gold, I need some sort of retest of this trend line or somewhere in this zone. Like I said, uh, looking for a retest of one of these zones, and my stop loss would be somewhere down there. So if I'm going to take a long position here, definitely my stop loss would be somewhere there. And we are looking to target, let's look left. For looking left, maybe somewhere there, or somewhere up here, according to the structure on the left here. So we'll just have to see what happens. But my bias right now is a bullish gold and a bearish DXY. So that means EU's bullish, GU's bullish, USD JPY should be bearish, but I'm not going to check it out right now. So that's my analysis, guys. That's what I'm looking for. I hope this helps anyone who's watching this. One thing that I wanted also to just touch on is, trading psychology, which is one of the most important things and something that I'm still working on. Uh, Being able to take a loss and not see a loss as a failure, uh, and also just mastering your emotions, being patient, knowing that uh, taking only the best quality setups. So take only the best quality setups and leave the rest. You don't have to grab every single move. That's why when uh, gold broke here and did this whole push, I was fine not being in that move because I knew either way, if it broke above this trend line, I would look for an entry here. If it respected the trend line, I would look for an entry here. It's fine not to be in the move, but just look for your entry. Look for your setup. That's the most important thing. Working towards being a profitable trader. Look for your setup. Don't look at what other people are doing. Don't look at what other people are trading. Trade what you want. Trade how you want. Uh, trade however fits your personality. That's just my 2 cents on it. I've been reading a couple of trading psychology books. Maybe I'll just name them off for you guys. The first one is Mastering Trading Psychology by Andrew Aziz, and that's a good book. That's the one I'm currently on, about to finish it. I think I'm on the last chapter. I've also read Trading in the Zone by Mark Douglas, and The Mental Game of Trading by Gerard Tendler. Those are three good trading psychology books. I've also ordered Market Wizards. Uh, Market Wizards, that's that's a classic in the trading industry, and as well, The Best Loser Wins by Tom Hogard. So always try keep improving your trading psychology. Technicals are the simpler thing. You can always refine your technicals, but trading psychology, being able to not take every trade, being able to wait for your setup, being able to hold a winner, and being able to cut losers short. So yeah, this is me, Marcus Willpower here, Mr. Xauusd. I hope you guys benefit from this video. Hopefully this move can play out for us next week and we can get some good profits. I'm currently trading a prop. I'm currently doing a prop from challenge that I'm trying to get funded for. So that's what I'm working on right now. And as well, I'm saving up some money for a personal account. So that's my situation right now. Just trying to be a better trader, trying to work towards being a profitable trader, being a consistently profitable trader, and handling my emotions well and all of that. But yeah, Marcus Willpower here, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, before I go, let's just check the news that's coming up next week. Next week, this is the news that's there. I don't see anything that's too crazy or too volatile. Usually, what I think of the volatile news events is FOMC, NFP, CPI, advanced GDP, and I don't know if I'm missing something else. Let me see. The advanced GDP here, uh, FOMC. This week there's gonna have FOMC and non-farm in the same week. That's crazy. But anyways, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, please leave a comment, please subscribe and share with your friends that trade gold, and we can just help each other. I don't know if I should create like a Telegram where we can just communicate and share analysis. Let me know in the comments if you guys want a Telegram and we can just talk in there and do our thing. But yeah, Marcus Willpower here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Happy trading week.